Hey guys, and welcome to the Candisia Creations YouTube channel. So for the nails I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to use Neo Nails acrylic products. So I'm going to use their acrylic powder in natural and their max adhesion monomer. I'm going to be using different colored gel polishes from Lavender Violets, and I'm going to be using two different glitter polishes from Barry M. I'm going to put all the names of the products that I use down in the description box. So firstly, just excuse the way my voice sounds right now. My allergies have been trying to off me for a few weeks now. Okay, so the nails I'm doing today are like 90s inspired nails. So the design that I did on these nails is very much the same type of design that me and my girls used to get done on our nails back in the day. And we felt so peng with these nails. I'd say that this kind of design was very much inspired by like Jamaican culture. All the older yardie women used to always have these mad patterns on their nails and they just looked so banging. As teenagers, we wanted to have our nails just like them. Me and my girls used to go to the Chinese shops in Camberwell and get our long acrylics done for like £10 with these mad designs on them. Can you imagine paying £10 for a full set of nails this long with these mad designs now? Funnily enough, I remember the first time I paid more than £10 for my nails. I think I was like 19. This nail shop opened in Camberwell called Reese Ruse, and they did like all these like personalized type of designs. I'm gonna see if I can find some pictures and I'll put the pictures up in this video as well. I actually paid like £45 for these nails, and the funny thing is they popped off my hands in like a week. I was so pissed. The nail techs in the Chinese shops used to drill off our natural nails, but they used to last. Those nails did not come off my fingers. But when I went to Reese Ruse, those nails came off so fast. I still went back again though. I wonder if they're still open. I'm gonna check. So for these nails, I literally just used the natural acrylic by Neo Nails to build the entire nails. I decided to use this color because I feel like it's the closest match to the acrylic that they used to use on our nails back in the day, and I just wanted to emulate that. The entire design is going to be done with gel, so I didn't need to use any other acrylic colors. Doing these nails actually made me realize that my acrylic application is actually kind of fast. I used to think that I was a little bit slow, but actually I don't think I am. I think it's the fact that I normally do all my designs with acrylic and then encapsulate them, so that takes a little bit longer. But when I'm just applying one single color of acrylic, I can get it done really fast. So hey, big up me. So for this design, I decided to test out my design idea on one nail before committing to doing every single other nail. I used this pink Lavender Violets gel polish and did like a little curvy swoop on this nail. I cured that and then I added like the black semicircle at the end of the nail and then cured that too. And then I used this like coral orangey color, which for some reason on camera looks red, but in real life it's not red. It's like a very neon bright coral orangey color, and I love it so much. You can kind of see it better when I put it on my little resin dish thing that I use for my nail polishes. And then after I applied the neon coral orange shades, I used yellow and just put that over. I'm just placing the colors in different areas and trying to fill up the nail with all these beautiful bright colors. By the way, I am curing each layer before I apply the next one, because if I wasn't, they'd all be kind of mixing into each other. So once I finished putting down the colors for my base, I've put down a few dots of each of the nail polishes onto my little resin palette. I'm going to use these to do like lines and dots on the nail. And then I'm using my liner brush to do these pretty little flicks. I'm also using my dotting tool to add the little dots around the flicks too. And you know, if you used to get your nails done back in the day with these types of designs, the little dots were everything. The base could look as mad as it looks, but once you put down the flicks and you put down the dots, the whole nail comes together and it just looks banging. So after I finished this first nail, I was gassed, I was confident, I knew what I was doing now, and I decided to basically kind of do the same sort of design on the rest of the nails, but you know, remix it a little bit, switch it up, put different colors in different locations, and you know, like, I always have to be a little bit extra. So yeah, I pretty much just laid down all the colors in the same locations that I put them down on the first nail, but I just switched up which colors were where. And on one of the nails, I basically did the design backwards, if that makes sense. Like, I reversed it from one side to the other. And I really love the way how all the colors look super artistic and kind of messy. I love that kind of abstract look. Once I was happy with the base, I used my thin nail liner brush to add some flicks and lines to the nail. Now, I didn't show everything that I did at this point because I did do some flicks and then I didn't like the way they looked, so I just wiped them off and then redid it again. And this is the great thing about using gel as well. If you don't like the way it looks, you don't have to start again, you can just wipe it off. So the Barry M nail polishes that I used are not gel, they are varnished. I used like a silvery one to begin with, but I didn't feel like it complemented the other colors, so then I went in with this kind of orangey gold one, and I really preferred the way that looked. And finally, once I'd finished with all the flicks, I added in some white dots and some black dots as well, and that just tied the whole look together. So then I top coated all the nails with this glossy top coat. I can't even remember which one I used, but I will try to remember and put it in the description box. And then I use this little thin bit on my e-file to drill a hole through this nail. And what I'm going to do is attach a little heart charm to the nail. They are so easy to attach and I just love the way they look. This nail charm is available at Candisia.com as well. So if you want this, make sure you go to Candisia.com. We also have other dangly nail charms too that you might be interested in. And these are the finished nails. I love them. They're beautiful. I hope you love them too. I had so much fun doing these nails. I've been planning to do them for a long time, but I was just stalling. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will be uploading again real soon. Okay, bye.